classes. This is class 7, Unit 5, Life Simple Comedies, Section 2, The Too Many Professors. This is the fourth part of the story presented by Mrs. Renu Tiwari. In the third part, we have learned about the different photographs of Professor from 18 months to till now. Now we'll see what happened next. The real professor dashed into the real colonel, and each of them thought the other wasn't him at all. Now all the pictures were live, and each one was thinking the another one is not the real professor. All the while they were explaining to each other, three of Mrs. Flittersnoop changed hats, which probably made things no worse. Here, three Mrs. Flittersnoops were there. They changed their hats and they were not ready to listen that who is the real Mrs. Flittersnoop. Quick, gasped the professor after he had told the colonel what had happened so rapidly, and colonel's head was nearly as fuzzy. Now, professor was listening the voice of everyone. Now it seems that he was feeling giddy because everyone was speaking about himself that he is the real one. Must be blotting paper, dry the liquid of the photos, then they will go back into the album. And here, professor was waiting how much time it will take when the paper will be dry and that liquid will be dry. So they will all the photograph person, those who are in real, they will go back to the album and they will again become a photo. Now round the house they dashed, brandishing blotters. Little professor was caught, the blotted up quite easily, but Colonel Dudshot got away from himself 3 times, and Mrs. Flittersnoop in fancy dress kept dodging the professor round the banisters. Here, again, the writer is talking about the photograph. They were in different roles. She took the fancy dress part in fancy dress competition, and she was in fancy dress competition, and the professor round the banisters, round and round the house, up and down the stairs. The real professor and colonel caught each other 8 times. Now few of the professors they were moving round and round, and few were running up and down from the stairs, and real professor caught each other 8 times. So real professor, he was busy in catching others. The half policeman was hopping about like a canary, shouting at the top of his voice, and policeman, they were hopping. Some of the professors had got hold of the blotting paper and were joining in chase. Now, some of the professor had got hold in the blotting paper. Now, few pictures were dry and few of the professor's photo. Now again, it changed into the picture. Then a window blew open and brought him. The open front door blew them not all out of it and down the road. Now the effect of the liquid was wearing off. Now, as in the first video, we read that all the creature that was live, they all started moving one after one from the window. So now, then a window blew open and draught from the open front door blew them all out of it and down the road. Now the effect of the liquid was wearing off. Now all started coming back to their real means again as they were means photographed. Out of the road were clouds. The Mrs. Professor and Mrs. Flittersnoop. Out of the road, there were clouds of Professor and Mrs. Flittersnoop, means their photos were there now. A real policeman stopped and gasped at the half policeman who shouted, "Pass along, please," for the last time, and they went zzz back into the photograph he had come from with the professor age 20. Now, as the pictures were getting dry in the same pace, the person who were in real, who were live, they were also changing into the picture and coming back to the photographs. Here, the policeman, they also, those who were shouting, now they also stopped shouting because the pictures were dried and they came back to the photograph. So hurry, roared the colonel, victory, the enemy is routed. Now the professor shouted, and victory, the enemy is routed means all were the enemies, and now they came back to their photo album. So they were, for the sun had come out and quickly dried the wonderful liquid. So I thank God that sun, due to sun, the liquid is quickly dried. Soon the road was strewn with photograph which a colonel and the professor carefully burned, making an awful smoke all over the place. Now again, the road was strewn with photograph which the colonel and the professor, the photographs were there he kept outside to make it dry. Now again he kept it back, carefully burned, making an awful smoke of all over the place. The professor wrote a book about his wonderful liquid, but nobody believed him. After this invention, when the professor wrote in his book about his wonderful liquid, nobody believed on that a picture can be also changed into real. So, this is the story of Too Many Professors. I think you must have enjoyed the story how the professor used the liquid and he changed the non-living thing into living, and photographs also in real. So this is the story I think you must have enjoyed. So stay at home, stay safe, and complete the task given by the teacher.